Artificial intelligence is all about enhancing human abilities, not replacing them. With SitaWare Insight, commanders and their entire staff, particularly in the intelligence community, get a fully integrated C4 ISR tool, helping them to work faster and better than ever before. SitaWare Insight saves you valuable time and effort. As a data analysis tool powered by artificial intelligence, it can filter, categorize, and compare a huge amount of data, and it keeps working without getting tired or making human mistakes. For example, SitaWare Insight can use natural language processing technology to read a document of 100 pages or more and produce a one-page executive summary, saving you hours of work. By handling some of the most time-consuming tasks, SitaWare Insight minimizes the flaws of fatigue and enhances your ability to focus on the important decisions.